Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need an Android phone running Google Messages with RCS chat features already active. This is the only practical RCS source you can use. On your iPhone, open Safari or Chrome and be ready to load a desktop web page. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or have stable cellular data so linking will be fast. You're starting the link process now. Do not change networks until you complete the pairing step on the Android device. Once the iPhone has the Messages for web page loaded in desktop mode, switch to the Android and open Google Messages. Tap Settings, then Messages for Web, and choose Link a Device. Use the Android's QR scanner that appears to scan the code shown on your iPhone. When linked, Google routes RCS-capable conversations through the Android phone. Make sure RCS chat features are shown as active on the Android, so messages sent from the web session use RCS where available. Now you can compose and send messages from the iPhone using the Messages for Web interface. Recipients with RCS will get enhanced chats when the Android is online. Keep the Android connected and avoid turning off battery saver, because Messages for Web depends on the phone. If something breaks, first relink the devices, then confirm RCS chat features are enabled on the Android and that the carrier supports RCS. One key tip: if messages revert to SMS, re-enable chat features in Google Messages and restart both phones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.